want to share. You know how I do. If I get something free, I share it with you. So I got this free, and it is from Marlboro. And if I get it out the box, then I can show you what it is. So let's see. Whoa. Oh, this is different. Perfect timing. I got work gloves. And I am so glad that I have these work gloves, because everyone that has done my yard, my gloves has disappeared. So, these is all mine. This way, maybe if I get my hand in it, it fits me perfect. It's not real big. It's nice and thick. For me to get ahead and hold on and do the weeds and whatever that I have to do. It'll also be good for the winter if I got to shovel any snow or whatever. This is excellent. And they're like a buff materials thing. I don't think there's anything that's in here. And these were given to me free. Thank you for making a local impact. I did a survey, and I sent them a picture, and my picture won. The picture that I sent them. And this is how I won these. And this is why I'm going to be selfish with these, because I won these. So, this is my free gift from Marlboro. Thank you for viewing. Thank you, Marlboro. I always appreciate free stuff. This is a definitely use. Throw your likes up. If you like this video and you do gardening and stuff, share it. Share what type of gardening and what you do. I don't have a green thumb, so I give all the praise to those who has gardens and vegetable gardens and flower gardens. So throw the likes up if you like this video. Slap the subscribe button, because you know you want to see more. See you soon. Don't forget to share. Bye.